Guys, today we're taking a look at the Minix H4K, a pair of wireless HDMI dongles that can send a 4K picture from your laptop, computer, console or other HDMI device straight to a television, monitor or projector. Now, there are no apps to install, you don't need Wi-Fi, and it could save you from running a long HDMI cable right across the other side of the room. So if you want to see how easy it is to set up and how well it works, stick around. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Scenes Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the Minix H4K wireless HDMI kit. It comes as a pair with one dongle acting as the transmitter and the other as the receiver. You plug the transmitter into the HDMI output on your laptop, PC, console or other device, then connect the receiver to your television, monitor or projector. Now, the two dongles then create their own wireless connection, so you don't need to install an app, connect them to your home network or have an internet connection. They support up to 4K at 30 frames per second or full HD at 60 frames per second with a claimed range of between 50 and 75 meters. So this could be useful for presentations, meeting rooms, projectors, televisions mounted away from your equipment, or simply keeping cables off the floor at home. Now guys, before we get into it, Minix did send these over for me to take a look at and for me to give you my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. So let's get them out of the box and see what we have. So guys, inside the box we've got the two H4K dongles. This one's marked as TX and this is the transmitter, and the one marked as RX is the receiver. So it's pretty difficult to get them mixed up. We also have some paperwork. We've got two USB-A to USB-C cables to power the dongles, an HDMI extension cable, a mini HDMI adapter and a micro HDMI adapter. It's a shame that I didn't open these up before because I've just bought some of those adapters. But anyway, no bothers. That's a completely different problem. Now guys, that is also a useful selection because it gives you a few more options when connecting cameras, portable monitors and other smaller devices. Now guys, looking around the dongles themselves, well, you know what? They're very compact and they're lightweight with an HDMI connection on one end, USB-C for power and a circular light on top showing the connection status. Now, they're small enough to sit behind a television or monitor without getting in the way, so that's pretty nice. Now guys, setting them up was really straightforward. You plug the transmitter into the HDMI output on your source device, connect the receiver to the HDMI input on your screen, and then supply power to both dongles using the included power cables. Now, once they're powered on, they automatically look for each other and pair up, and it's as easy as that. When the lights stop flashing and remain solid, the connection is ready and your picture appears on the second screen. There's no software to install, there's no password, there's no messing around in the app. It just works. I've connected a transmitter to my computer and the receiver to this portable monitor, and as you can see, the picture appeared almost immediately. You can use this to mirror to your main screen, or depending on the device you're connecting, use it as an extended display. So if you're giving a presentation, you could keep your notes on the laptop while sending your main presentation to a larger screen across the room. And because the dongles create their own 5 GHz wireless connection, they don't depend on the quality of the Wi-Fi in the building. You just power them up from the USB ports on the computer monitor or television, although ports do need to provide enough power, but generally they all do these days. And if they don't, you can kind of use a USB plug or a power bank or whatever. I've also tried the transmitter through a USB-C to HDMI adapter, and that worked without any problems. So if your laptop doesn't have a full-size HDMI connection or that port is already being used, you may still be able to connect it with a suitable adapter. Now guys, picture quality will depend on the screen and the resolution you're using. So using the H4K, you can get up to 4K at 30 frames per second, which is fine for presentations, films, general computer use, and sharing content on a larger display. And if you want a smoother picture, you can use full HD at up to 60 frames per second. There is some latency, as you would expect from a wireless connection. Minix lists around 80 to 100 milliseconds, so I wouldn't buy these specifically for competitive gaming where every fraction of a second matters. But you know what? For presentations, films, general computer use and casual gaming, the delay is not going to be an issue. The other big advantage is the range. Like I said, Minix claims between 50 and 75 meters in suitable conditions, although walls and other wireless devices and the layout of the room and all that kind of stuff could affect that. But even if you don't get the full claimed distance, it still gives you far more freedom than a normal, very long HDMI cable. You could have a laptop at the back of a meeting room, connect to a projector at the front, or send a picture to a television without running a long cable around the edge of the room. So guys, there you have it, the Minix H4K wireless HDMI kit. The main attraction here is how simple it is, because it really is. You connect the transmitter, connect the receiver, power them on, and they pretty much take care of themselves. The picture quality is good, the connection in my testing has been stable, and I like that you don't need Wi-Fi, internet access or any additional software. There is some latency, so this isn't the answer for serious competitive gaming, but you know what? Most of us, presentations, meeting rooms, televisions, monitors, general content sharing, it's a very useful way of sending an HDMI picture without having the cables running everywhere. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you can get these for various prices I've seen, but what I'll do is I will leave the latest price, the product links and any available discounts in the description below. And guys, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and please click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Minix for sending me this H4K wireless HDMI kit to review. I'm Dave with Scenes Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.